How big is Mars compared to Earth? Mars and Earth have some pretty striking differences when you look at them side by side, but Mars's size isn't one of them. But if you stop looking at them side by side, Mars starts to look much larger. Our moon only accounts for 1% of Earth's mass and volume, whereas Phobos and Deimos account for 15% of the total mass and volume of Mars. So how big is Mars compared to Earth? The difference in size translates to fewer volcanoes on Mars, as well as differences in atmospheric pressure and temperature. Because it has less gravity than Earth, astronauts are able to jump higher and land further away from their takeoff point when they're on Mars. Because of its thin atmosphere, Mars experiences almost no windstorms like hurricanes or tornadoes. On the other hand, because it's so small, you can see all parts of the planet from every spot on its surface, with the exception of permanent dark spots called pole caps at each end. In addition to its red planet status, one big way you can tell if you're exploring a Martian landscape rather than an earthly one is by looking for sand dunes. They'll be easy to spot by virtue because of their nearly distinctive yellow coloring. Earth is one of the largest and most massive planets in our solar system. Our planet orbits at a distance of 93 million miles from the Sun and has a diameter of 7,900 miles. At this size, it's hard to imagine what it would be like to live on a planet much bigger or smaller than Earth. Fortunately for us humans living on Earth, the planet we call home has just the right size. But how does the size of other planets compare? It may surprise you to know that there are many planets out there which are both larger and smaller than Earth. If we were to use Pluto as an example, Pluto only measures at 1,473 miles across, which is only 1/6 of the size of Earth. The two bodies with the smallest diameters are Mercury, which measures at 3,032 miles across, and Ixion, which measures at 2,134 miles across. These two rocky planets are not large enough for water oceans, but they do have plenty of volcanoes. Earth and Mars are often compared because both planets have some striking similarities, but there are also a lot of differences. For instance, the planet Earth is about 12 times the size of Mars. That's a big difference. In addition to being much bigger than Mars, Earth has significantly thicker atmosphere with more oxygen, which makes it possible for things to live on its surface without having to wear a spacesuit. Most importantly, Earth is home to all of the life we know on this planet. The red planet is barren and desolate by comparison. It's only half the size of Earth, which means it has less gravity and thinner air. It's also the coldest planet in our solar system, with an average temperature of -81 degrees Fahrenheit. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you.